So what I'm going to do right now is punch a hole in each one of these and run a drill bit through them so I can flip them around and go to the back side and drill out the back, because I need them to be kind of hollow in the center. Okay, let's go ahead and do that to all four of them, and then we'll come back with the drill bit and do our next step. I've got this one more just like it, and the two small ones for the small hole. I had to reposition the camera there. There we go. It's through. Okay, well, we got one more like that on the through hole, and like I say, we got the two smaller ones, these here. So I'll go ahead and get those done and get you back on camera, and we'll go from there. Well, here's what I have. The two smaller ones, the larger one. You have a starter hole all the way through it. I just happen to have let's see, okay, a drill bit. It's a 15/16. So, and the only reason I'm choosing this one here, because I want it slightly bigger than this inside, and 15/16. I don't know if you can see that. It's just, if I squeeze it down tight, I get 119, 128. So 15/16. Yep. So I think I should try cutting one of the small ones first here. We got a 1/2 inch shank on this. Let's go ahead and give this a try and cut one of these here. Okay. Yeah, I'm over here looking at this. I don't know, Silver and Deming. I thought that they were made in USA, but apparently not. They're made in China. So we'll see if we can get 4 good holes out of this thing. Think I should drill it with a smaller one first? While I'm looking for my chuck key, there we go. I'm kind of thinking that I should drill it with something a little bit bigger first, so I'm not taking such a big cut with this thing. It's only got a 1/2 inch shank on it, and I don't want to twist it off, so it's not that I'm going to force it that hard. It's that there's always a chance with me that something will happen. Let's see, I've got these cute little drill bits. I don't know what the heck they are, but I tried one on the smaller size and it seemed to cut through quite nicely on something else that I was doing. So I'll try one of these on this. Okay. So even though I don't have to, let's say that I have a target depth that I really would like to stick to, like 13/16. Even though it really doesn't matter, let's see if I can hit one target somewhere along the line on this project. So it's obvious I'm not there yet, but just wanted to get a visual on how far I was. Okay, there we go, 13/16. I don't know why I can't remember what the heck I'm doing. And I know I have a depth micrometer, but I'm just doing a quickie. Drill bit sharp. Yeah, I got a handful of those in that last, no, the first box, the 26 pounds that I bought. A big handful of these were in there. Ah, seriously. (13/16) Seriously. That's just luck. That is just pure luck. Anyway, I've got to do 3 more like that. Man, that drill bit is sharp. Anyway, I got to do 3 more like that, and I'll do those off camera, and then I'll bring you back and yeah, I think we'll be about ready for this one. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, everything just falling in the trash on me. I'll be back shortly, guys. Okay. Here's 13/16, and here's how deep the hole is relative to the block I'm making for the bottom, or the base, or the foot, or whatever you'd like to call it. As long as I learn, it's not a waste of time though. So that's how deep the hole is going to be, so I don't think I'm going to shorten this any. So you kind of get an idea where I was going with that. I just want a stationary base, and then, well, yeah, just like a short base jack, screw jack, and then a longer one. That's where I was kind of going with that, and then I'm going to put a nice little shoulder in here. I just haven't figured out in my little mind what I want to do yet. But that's kind of where I was going. Thank you. I heard you. Okay. Here we are. First one. Oh, sweet. You know, I'm just gonna be quiet till I get it done. Oh, I got a long ways to go. But being stubborn usually gets something broke with me. I know any good machinist will be using a boring bar, but I'm just wrong. I'm trying to be a little bit better than Spitball. Oh yeah, we got a little bit to go. because I don't think I shot over. No, I didn't shoot over it. So 8:52. 8:30. So wait a minute. Really? Okay, 8:52. I'm stopping there. Now if I can just do 3 more of these and get them relatively close. And fits on here. No side to side movement on that. So, and it's not that warm. I'm holding it this time, all this time, so it's not gonna shrink up too much. You know, even if it does get a little cozy there, that'll be okay. But that fits it absolutely perfect. Yeah, it fits just as good as the other Starrett extension piece does. I like that. Let me go ahead and drill 3 more of those, and I'll get you back on camera and we'll take it from there. Okay? Thanks for watching. So with my little thread gauge, I found out that these are 20 threads per inch, and they're 1/2 inch. So I tried it with my 1/2 and it, well, at least when I tried it the first time, there we go, it fit. So I think this is what we're going to do. I'm going to drill a secondary hole, since I got a small pilot hole in them. I'm going to drill a secondary hole with the same cool little bit that I cutter that I've been using. Then I'm going to drill the final size hole, and then we're going to go ahead and run a tap through it and get some threads on it and see if this will go in the first one, and then we'll do 3 more. Well, I guess that's my fault. I didn't realize the camera shut off because I was tootling around so long over here, and then I finally got this in here, and now we're going around for threads. I look over and the lens is retracted into the camera. Me and electronics just do not function well because I can't remember what I need to do. Couple drops of oil on it and see what she'll do. Here's what I have here, just threaded for it. Threads are really nice and smooth, go all the way through, nice and hollow in the middle and the back. I got to come out here first thing in the morning and drill and tap some more of these guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. I'll see you shortly.